Oh! Whoa! Yo, what's the deal with your boy Kwanzaa? And as a 4-time live professional sports entertainer, I know a thing or two about jerseys of great quality. But how about creating your very own customizable themed jersey as any sport, number, or color? Well, with the help of Fansidea, now you can. Fansidea is a custom-based company that specializes in creating any jersey of any category by the help of your creativity. For the last 20 years, Fansidea has led the way in custom sportswear. No matter if you're purchasing in bulk for your baseball, basketball, or even your soccer team, they have customizable options available for youth and adults. Or if you're just someone like me that likes fashion that just wants to rock a customized jersey that only I have, Fansidea is where it's at. Now let me tell you how creative I've been and what I've cooked up. Lately, I've really been into baseball jerseys, and in the world of football, I do work for the Los Angeles Rams. So I said, why not combine the two? Alrighty, let's see what it do here. Oh, dang! Oh! Whoa! Look at that, look at that, look at that. I might gotta order these in bulk. I think it's only right that we put this on. All right, so what do you guys think? This is the official look right here. I usually open up my jerseys, but I want you guys to see the full Kwanzaa look right across my chest. I love it. I love it. What do you guys think? Also, let's talk about the quality. The quality is a 10 out of 10. Like, way exceeded my expectations way further. I can't wait to see what you guys create as well. It's winter time, and even if it's cold outside, there's no excuses because it's spacious enough to even wear with the hoodie. Once again, I'm excited for what you create. Be sure to tag me and Fansidea so we can see your creativity. What are you guys doing here? Go to Fansidea right now and make your own customizable jersey. I know that's what I'm about to go do.